hope you're all having a great Sunday morning so far. We are getting ready for our Christmas party. That's today, 1 to 4, drop in at our place. So we're hoping to see most of you there. Just super casual, just come and have some food, have some drinks, chat, be merry, get some Harrison snuggles in, and then you'll be on your way. We have some snacks, but of course, if you would like to bring an appetizer or a sweet treat as well, we would appreciate that too. So, but most importantly, bring yourselves. So we are gonna have some guacamole at the party today. So I've already so that I'm just gonna show you. I know we've made guacamole quite a few times. It's so super easy, delicious snack, quick, easy, tasty. Whenever we bring guacamole to a party or an event, it always is gobbled up. It's always gobbled right up.
Well,
so
it's my favorite.
One of Drew's favorite. Drew's always sad when there isn't any leftovers of the guacamole. So depending how much guacamole you want to make, you can use 2, 3, 4 avocados. This is what 3 mashed up medium-sized avocados looks like. And then all you have to do, most of you know this recipe because I make it a lot. All you have to do is add your tomatoes, your onions, your cilantro. So we're gonna add that in right now. Just gonna slide it in with a knife.
What's your secret? Do you have a secret to making such amazing guacamole?
I guess just the fresh ingredients and lemon essential oil. Lime, not lemon. Lime essential oil. So you can squeeze fresh lime on top, but I usually just put a few drops of lime essential oil on there. Lime is food grade, so that one is safe for consumption.
And it says, good morning.
Hey, Anna.
Holy guacamole.
Holy guacamole. Sprinkle some pepper on there. Sprinkle some salt on there. This is Himalayan salt, of course. And then I spray some of our MCT oil on there for some extra healthy goodness. And then we just have to mix it all up. And then Drew usually does a taste test.
Very important.
And
the tester has a very important job.
It's a very important job. I lost a couple of toppings here. Put those back in. But this is one of our favorite snacks if we're going to be watching a movie or if we're just hanging out at home one night and we're having a little...
Tomato on the edge there.
We're having... something's in my throat. I don't know what it is.
My mom said good morning.
Good morning.
Looks like.
Pardon me?
Looks like we got a couple other people.
Nice. Yeah, but yeah, so what I was saying, I was just saying this one's a super quick and easy one if you're having a little snack attack in the evening or if you're going to a party or event this holiday season. It literally took me like 2 minutes to mix up and then the chopping took maybe 5 minutes. So altogether it's probably like a 10-minute thing. You can add some crackers or chips to it, like to scoop, and then away you go. Okay, Drew, are you ready to taste test?
Yes.
Drew's the taste tester.
Nikki's in here.
Hey, Nikki, we'll see you later on. There you go. Harrison's like, where's all the action? What does it need? More lime.
I would put a little bit of salt in there and a little bit more lime.
A little more lime, a little more salt. That's how we do our recipes. Hey?
And it says I add garlic too. Everyone's personal experience.
Garlic.
And
Yeah.
I like to roast it just a bit to take off the edge.
Nice.
You're committed, man. Committed to the guacamole. This one's just a quick and easy one.
Yeah.
Isn't this called like lazy man's guac?
No, that was if we're like super lazy. We just mush up our avocados or mash them up and add some salsa. A little salt and pepper. That's the lazy man guacamole, Drew. Okay, that's it. Do you want to taste test one more time?
I do, yeah.
Hi! I like your Christmas PJs, Harrison.
Harrison saw Santa for the first time.
We took Harrison for Santa photos on Friday, and then yesterday we went to the Santa Claus parade, and he watched like this the whole time. Wasn't that his face? He was so serious.
Look at these little PJs.
His Christmas PJs we pulled out. He has a couple different Christmas PJs. They're so cute. Okay, that's it, you guys. Or it's a short one today because we do have the party. So we're going to get ready here for the party. And then we're hoping to see some of you today.
Louise says, good morning. Love this guac. So good.
Yeah, it is one of our favorites for sure. It's kind of interesting when you bring it to an event or a party or to share, and there's some people that might be like, oh, I don't like guacamole. I'm like, just try it. And then they eat it, they're like, whoa. Because I think some people are used to the store-bought one, and the store-bought one's nasty.
Or that like watery stuff, like that's not guac.
What's the watery stuff?
It's or a creamy, it's like really thin guacamole.
The one from the store?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then so, yeah, we have a bunch of friends that are like, oh my gosh, I never had such good guacamole. And we're like, well, have you made it before? And like, no, I just bought it from the store.
It's not the same. Not the same. Homemade is the best.
Anna says, everyone have a great Sunday. Wish I was there for the party. Hopefully someday. Yes, someday. We're not that far away, Anna. Louise says, have a great party. Wish I could make it. Nikki says, I never thought to use that tool for avocados. I use it for cooking ground beef.
Yeah, this is a Pampered Chef tool. It's a masher. So we use it for our avocados, for sweet potatoes. What else? Oh, Drew saves eggshells and puts it in the plants. And he crushes the eggshells with it. What else do we use this one for?
We use it quite often, yeah.
Yeah, it's we don't have too many tools in the kitchen because we like to keep it, well, we just don't like a lot of stuff. We like simplicity. So, but this is one that we use often, this tool.
Okay, everyone. Thanks.
All right. Thank you, and we'll see you later.
Have a good day, everyone.
Bye.